Hi there and welcome to Website Builder Expert. Today we're diving into an important question. Is Squarespace good for selling online? If you're thinking about building an online store or adding e-commerce to your existing website, you're in the right place. Now, Squarespace is famous for its beautiful, easy to use templates, but how does it hold up when it comes to selling online? That's exactly what I'll cover in this video. We'll break down its pricing, e-commerce tools, templates, and everything else you need to know to decide if Squarespace is the right fit for your business. During this video, I'm going to be giving you several Squarespace tips that I've learned along the way so you can avoid some of the pitfalls that lots of other people fall into. So stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss any of those. And by the end of this video, you'll feel confident about whether to choose Squarespace to start selling online. And if it's right for you, don't miss the link down in the description below to try Squarespace's free trial, plus use our exclusive 10% discount code WBE10 to save on any plan. Let's get started. Let's start with pricing because no matter the size of your business, budget matters. Squarespace offers 4 main plans, 2 of which are specifically designed for e-commerce. The personal plan is most affordable at $16 a month, but it doesn't include e-commerce features, so it's best suited for simple websites or blogs. If you want to sell online, you'll need to move up to the business plan, priced at $23 a month. This plan lets you sell products, but it comes with a 3% transaction fee on every sale, which can really add up over time. For serious sellers, the basic commerce plan is a game changer. It eliminates transaction fees and includes tools like advanced analytics and abandoned cart recovery. And for businesses ready to scale, the advanced commerce plan adds even more features like subscriptions, advanced shipping, and discount tools. It's also worth noting that there are a few additional costs to consider. For instance, Squarespace gives you a free domain for the first year, but after that, renewal starts at around $20 a year. You might also choose to pay for premium apps like advanced email marketing tools, which can add to your monthly expense. And finally, if you're on the business plan, Squarespace charges a 3% transaction fee on every sale. To avoid this, upgrading to the basic commerce plan is a smart move. If you're looking for the very best for value, I'd recommend starting with the basic commerce plan. It has everything a small business needs to succeed online without breaking the bank. And remember, you can save even more by using our discount code WBE10 for 10% off any plan when you're ready to sign up. Squarespace has an impressive range of sales tools designed to handle almost any kind of business. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or even services, Squarespace has you covered. For example, if you're a photographer, you can use Squarespace to sell digital prints, schedule photo sessions, and even organize workshops or events. All of this can be managed through the platform, making it a versatile option for creative businesses. Key tools like inventory management makes it easy to keep track of your products, while flexible payment options such as Stripe and PayPal ensure a smooth checkout experience for your customers. Squarespace also handles sales tax calculations automatically, so you can focus on running your business instead of dealing with tedious admin work. There are even advanced tools available like abandoned cart recovery to encourage customers to complete their purchases and custom discounts to reward your loyal customers. If you're selling personalized products like custom mugs, Squarespace lets you add product forms where customers can specify details such as names or colors right at checkout. However, if you're managing a very large store with thousands of products, you might find Squarespace's features slightly limiting compared to platforms like Shopify. But for small to mid-sized businesses, it's a fantastic option with plenty of room to grow. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, we have a whole host of videos designed to help entrepreneurs build brilliant websites, so please subscribe to the channel for more tips and advice. We'll be here to support you every step of the way. When it comes to building your online store, Squarespace makes it simple and straightforward. You actually have 2 options for how to get started. The first is Squarespace's Blueprint AI Builder. This tool essentially builds your store for you based on a quick questionnaire about your business and goals. When I tested it out, I had a fully functional store ready to go in less than 20 minutes. It's perfect for anyone short on time or unsure where to start. If you prefer more creative control, you can choose a template and customize it to fit your brand. Squarespace's drag and drop editor is intuitive and user-friendly, even if you're a beginner. You can tweak everything from fonts and colors to layouts and product displays, creating a store that truly reflects your vision. For example, if you're a boutique owner selling handmade jewelry, you can design a site that feels as unique as your products. Squarespace's tools let you focus on showcasing your brand while making the technical side of things as easy as possible. Squarespace also has an app store to expand your site's functionality. While the platform already has many built-in features, there are additional apps that can be a game changer for specific needs. For service-based businesses, Squarespace scheduling is a must. It lets your clients book appointments directly through your website, saving time for both you and your customers. If you're running email marketing campaigns, Squarespace's Email Campaigns app makes it easy to connect with your audience and drive repeat sales. And for businesses selling across multiple locations, TaxJar helps manage tax compliance effortlessly. All of these tools integrate seamlessly with Squarespace, keeping your website streamlined and easy to manage. One of Squarespace's biggest strengths is its stunning templates. They're sleek, modern, and designed to make your products look amazing. For example, if you're selling artisanal home goods, a template like Paloma provides a minimalist and high-end aesthetic that puts your products front and center. If you're a photographer, templates like Wells or Brine are perfect for showcasing your portfolio while offering easy options for clients to book or buy prints. And if you're not sure where to start, the Blueprint AI Builder can design a store tailored to your needs, giving you a professional-looking site in minutes. Now let's talk about helping customers find your store. Squarespace includes a great range of built-in SEO tools to make this as easy as possible. You can customize meta titles and descriptions, optimize images with alt text, and even take advantage of automatic sitemaps to improve your search rankings. For example, if you're a wedding planner, you can use Squarespace's SEO tools to rank for terms like wedding planner near me, helping local clients find your services. If you're selling art prints online, Squarespace makes it easy to optimize for keywords like modern art prints for sale, helping your store reach the right customers. While Squarespace might not have the advanced SEO capabilities of WordPress, it's more than enough for most small businesses to rank well and attract customers. Finally, let's look at customer support. Squarespace offers several options to help you when you need it most. You'll have access to 24/7 email support and live chat during business hours. The Squarespace Help Center is packed with guides, tutorials, and FAQs to walk you through almost any issue you might encounter. For small business owners, having reliable support like this can be a real lifesaver when you're navigating the challenges of e-commerce. So is Squarespace the right platform for your online store? Well, if you're a small or mid-sized business owner looking for an easy-to-use platform with beautiful designs and powerful sales tools, the answer is yes. Squarespace is especially great for creative entrepreneurs, boutique stores, and service-based businesses. However, if you're running a very large store or need highly specialized e-commerce features, another platform like Shopify might be a better fit. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to try Squarespace for yourself, don't forget to check the link down in the description below for a free trial, and be sure to use our discount code WBE10 to get 10% off any plan when you're ready to sign up. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear what kind of businesses you're planning to build with Squarespace. And if Squarespace isn't quite what you're looking for, then don't worry. We've got plenty of other videos and resources on our channel to help you find the perfect platform for your business. Happy store building, and I'll see you in the next video.